So I'm just leaving Coal Lake right now, about 3 clicks from shore. I've got my FJ all chained up. I hit water 3 times on the way out here in the dark this morning, and here's one patch here. So I'm just gonna videotape going through it. Yeah, hopefully there's no issues, but I'll try my best with the camera to drive at the same time. Should be 2 more spots coming up here. Might try to stick to the right hand side, but yeah, I'm gonna make a big this, but I don't have a choice. I gotta go over it. Water there. Ooh. That'll all freeze up though. Just to get on the main road and take these chains off. Oh. And that concludes the FJ chain adventure. I just gotta make sure all my chains are intact. Looks like everything's great. Awesome. Well, thanks for watching.